Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting this channel. So today's question is Maths Olympiad challenge based on number theory. The question is find the sum of floor of 2 raised to the power 0 over 3 plus floor of 2 power 1 over 3 plus floor of 2 power 2 over 3 and of 2 plus of 2 floor of 2 power 1000 over 3 when this floor of x is the greatest integer less than or equals to x. So let's begin. So let's make this as two series. This will be 2 0 plus 2 power 2 2 power 4. Certainly floor of 2 power 1000 will come in this series. This is 1. Second is floor of 2 power 1 over 3 plus 2 power 3 over 3, so on, and last will be floor of 2 power 999 over 3. This can be written as summation of, I'm writing the whole series, that will be n equals to 0 to 1000 2 power n over 3 floor is, first series I'm writing as summation k equals to 0 to 500. Here it is 2 power 2k over 3. And next series is from here to up to 2 power 999. This can be written as k equals to 0 to 499 floor of 2 power 2k plus 1 over 3. Now we'll go one by one. First is series 1. Sum of k equals to 0 to 500 floor of 2 power 2k over 3. Now 2 power 2k is same as your 4 power k. 4 power k, when it is divided by 3, it leaves the remainder 1. 4 power k is congruous to 1 power k when we take the modulo 3, because we are dividing the whole thing with modulo 3 and we are taking the integer part outside. So this series can be written as k equals to 0 to 500 can be written as your equals to k to 0 to 500. This is power 2k, 2 power 2k minus 1 over 3. That means after taking the floor function or taking the numbers outside the floor function, it will be your 2 to the power 2k minus 1 over 3. We have to find the value of this. So this equals to, can be written as 1 by 3 whole into summation of k equals to 0 to 500 power 2k minus 1. So now we are getting two series. 1 by 3, that will be your, it multiplies k equals to 0 to 500, 4 power k minus k equals to 0 to 500, your 1. So this is a geometric series. So it can be, the sum will be 4 power your k plus 1, that will be 500 plus 1 minus 1 over 4 minus 1, that will be 3, and 1 how many times? From 0 to 500 it will be 501 times. So this is equal to 1 by 3 into 4 power 501 minus 1 over 3 minus 501 by 3. So this is part 1, that means all the terms. First one. Second series equals to k equals to 0 to 499, that will be 2 to the power 2k plus 1 over 3. So here it is your 2 to the power 2k plus 1, that it means it is odd. When 2 power is odd, that will be, and modulo 3 equals to, it gets 2 modulo 3. 4 to the power 2 into 4 to the power k, if we simplify this, 2 into 2k into 2, this is congruent to your 2 modulo 3. That means any odd power of 2 when divided by 3 leaves the remainder 2. So when I'll take the floor function outside, it will be same as your, let me write once, 499 2 power 2k plus 1 minus 2 over 3. So again I am getting two series. One is 1 by 3 summation k equals to 0 to 499 2 to the power 2k plus 1 minus summation of k equals to 0 to 499 2. Now first one is, this is nothing but your first one is summation of k equals to 0 to 499 2 into 4 power k minus, this will be 2 into how much? 500. This is 1 by 3 into first is series, 2 will be multiplied, 4 power k we have already got, and 499 is, this will be 2 into 4 to the power 500 minus 1 over 4 minus 1 3. This will be 1000. I can write 1000 3 by 3 separately. So here 3 will become 9. So it will be 2 into 4 power 500 minus 1 over 9 minus 1000 over 3. Now adding these two will get the result, final result, adding the two. Adding them will get summation of n equals to 0 to 1000, 2 power n over 3 floor equals to 4 power 501 minus 1 over 9 minus 500 1 by 3 plus 2 multiplies 4 to the power 500 minus 1 over 9 minus 1000 over 3. First one equals to this one equals to 4 into or first one equals to 4 into 4 power 500, and here it will be 2 multiplies 4 power 500 over 9 minus 1 by 9 minus 501 over 9 3 minus 2 over 9 minus 1000 over 3. So this will be, first one will be 6 into 4 power 500 by 9, it will be 2 over 3, and this one will be minus 3 by 9 minus 1 by 3, it will be 1502 over 3, and this will be 2, or I can take 1 by 3 common, it will be 2 to the power 100, again another 2, so it will be 2 power 1000, 1 minus 1502, the answer. I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, please share.